Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to use Apple remote support via getsupportapplecom. Whether you're facing technical issues or need help with your Apple device, this online service provides efficient solutions. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to getsupportapplecom. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to enter your device's serial number or sign in with your Apple ID. This step helps Apple identify your device and provide tailored support. Next, select the issue you're experiencing from the list of options. Whether it's related to hardware, software, or any other category, choose the one that best describes your problem. This will help Apple's support team quickly understand your situation. After selecting the issue, you'll see a list of support options available for your device. These may include articles, tutorials, troubleshooting guides, or the option to chat with a support representative. Choose the support method that suits your preference and follow the on-screen instructions. If you opt for a chat session with a support agent, you'll be connected with a knowledgeable representative who will guide you through troubleshooting steps or provide solutions to your problem. Be sure to explain your issue clearly and follow any instructions given to resolve it effectively. Once your issue has been resolved, don't forget to thank the support agent for their assistance. If you encountered exceptional service, consider providing feedback to Apple about your experience. This will help improve their support services for other users in the future. That's it. You've now learned how to use Apple remote support via getsupportapplecom for quick and convenient assistance with your Apple devices. Remember, Apple's support team is there to help you with any technical issues you may encounter. Don't hesitate to reach out whenever you need assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.